How I made my first $500 with LiveGood in 30 days. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share exactly how I made my first $500 with LiveGood in just 30 days. If you've been wondering if this company is legit, if it actually works, or if it's just another hype business, then stick with me, because I'll walk you through what I did step by step. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how you can do it too. Before I joined LiveGood, I was struggling with side hustles, tired of overpriced MLMs, looking for extra income. When I first heard about LiveGood, I was skeptical. Another supplement company? Another referral program? But what caught my attention was the low monthly cost and the compensation plan that doesn't force you to bug family and friends. That's what made me decide to give it a try. Here's what I did in week 1. I signed up for the membership. Super cheap compared to most opportunities. I learned the products and the compensation plan. If you don't know what you're selling, it's hard to share it with others. I set up my affiliate link and created a simple portfolio website, shared the company-provided marketing tools. This step is important. Don't overcomplicate it. LiveGood gives you what you need. You just have to plug in and start sharing. So how did I actually get people to join? Here are my exact methods. Social media. I posted simple curiosity posts on TikTok like, "Who else has seen this $10 membership that's changing the supplement industry?" People DM'd me. YouTube, TikTok Shorts. I made short videos talking about the products and the compensation plan. Word of mouth. I didn't chase friends, but when people asked what I was working on, I just said, "I'm part of this new company that's blowing up. Want me to send you the info?" By doing this consistently for 3-4 weeks, I got a handful of signups. Some just wanted the products, others wanted the business. Together, those commissions added up to my first $500. Now, here's the truth. Making $500 wasn't about being some sales expert. It was about being consistent and sharing something I believe in. Too many people join a business, do nothing, and expect money. The secret? Post every day. Talk to new people every day. Share your journey, not just sales pitches. People don't buy companies, they buy you. So that's how I made my first $500 in LiveGood in just 30 days. And I truly believe anyone can do this if you follow the same steps. Join the membership. Learn the products and app, compensation plan. Share consistently online and offline. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below saying, "I'm ready," if you want me to share a step-by-step tutorial on how to start. And if you're curious about LiveGood and want to see exactly how I did it, I'll leave my link in the description so you can check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.